I'm going to be showing you how to check eBay for duplicate listings. So to check for duplicate listings on eBay, you need to review your active listings and compare titles first, and images and products. So eBay prohibits listing the same item multiple times in the same category unless it's a multi-quantity listing. So here are the easiest ways to find duplicates. So the first thing you need to do is go to Seller's Hub. Just open your account. So it only works through the website, so make sure you go to Safari or Google Chrome or whatever browser you have. And once you're in the Seller's Hub, you just need to click or find listings. So just scroll down till you find your actual listings, and you can just select active listings. You can sort them through title or start date or whatever you want. And if you see identical ones, they may be duplicates. So just search your own store, open your eBay store page, use the search bar in your store, and try the product name. So if multiple identical listings appear, you likely have duplicates. You can also try using third-party tools as a last option. So you have options or apps like InkFrog or Sellbrite or 6bit. So they can scan and detect duplicate listings automatically. So there you go, that's how you check eBay for duplicate listings. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.